Ever dreamt of being the first millionaire in your family? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into some game-changing strategies that can turn that dream into reality. Welcome to Wealthway, your guide to all things money, personal finance, and investing. If you're ready to transform your financial future, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Now, before we get started, let's talk about the pitfalls. Be cautious about falling for the allure of instant success promised by self-proclaimed gurus. Building wealth is a journey, not a quick fix. So let's steer clear of the hype and focus on practical, tried and true methods. 1. Consistent investing. Alright, let's dive a bit deeper into the power of consistent investing because, trust me, it's like the secret sauce of millionaire success. Picture this. 3 out of 4 millionaires attribute their financial victories to one simple yet incredibly impactful strategy: regular, consistent investing. It's not some fancy gimmick or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the tried and true route to building substantial wealth. So, instead of falling for the allure of shortcuts that promise overnight success, let's take a smarter approach. Invest your time and resources wisely, my friend. Do your own research, form those unique opinions of yours, and embark on a journey to discover those authentic, long-lasting paths that lead to genuine financial success. Now, I get it. The financial landscape can be overwhelming, and everyone's got their own opinion of what's the surefire way to wealth. But here's the real deal. You don't need a crystal ball or an army of financial gurus telling you what to do. What you need is a solid understanding of your own goals and a commitment to consistently invest over time. Think of it as crafting your own financial story, not following someone else's script. By embracing this approach, you're not just building wealth, you're sculpting a future that aligns with your values and aspirations. So, ditch the shortcuts. Roll up your sleeves and let's carve out a path to financial success that's uniquely yours. 2. Start early and keep momentum. Alright, let's talk about the importance of getting a head start on your wealth building journey because, believe me, time is your best friend in this game. Think of it this way. Every day you delay is like leaving money on the table while procrastination lurks in the shadows, ready to throw a wrench, taking that first step, and setting the stage for long-term financial success. So, whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of investing or you're already knee-deep in it, now's the time to kick things into high gear and keep that momentum going. Now, I know what you're thinking. But I can barely scrape together $50, let alone $100 per week. Hey, I hear you loud and clear, and trust me, I've been there too. But here's the thing, it's not about the amount, it's about the consistency. Even if you can only spare a few bucks here and there, every little bit counts. It's like planting seeds in a garden. The more you sow, the more you'll reap in the future. So don't let the fear of starting small hold you back. Embrace the power of consistency, my friend, and watch as those small investments blossom into something truly remarkable over time. 3. Smart money habits. Alright, let's break down some practical steps because, hey, building wealth isn't just about dreaming big. It's about taking action, no matter how small those steps may seem at first. So saving $50 to $100 per week might sound like a tall order, especially when you're juggling bills, groceries, and all those other expenses life throws your way. But here's the secret sauce. It's all about forming habits, my friend. Start small, like tossing spare change into a piggy bank, and gradually work your way up. Before you know it, you'll have developed a routine that's as natural as brushing your teeth in the morning. Now, I want to bust a myth right here, right now. You don't have to live on ramen noodles and tap water to build wealth. Nope, that's just not how it works. It's not about making huge sacrifices that leave you feeling like you're missing out on life. Instead, it's about those small, consistent efforts. like diverting a portion of your paycheck into investments or resisting the urge to splurge on that impulse buy. So, whether you're stashing away spare change or setting up automatic transfers into your investment account, remember this: every little bit adds up, and it's those smart money habits that'll pave the way to a brighter financial future. 4. Cutting back and investing. Now, let's dive into the art of cutting back and investing, because let's face it, we've all been there, staring at our bank accounts, wondering where all our hard-earned cash went. But here's the deal: when times get tough, that's when you gotta get resourceful. Take a good, hard look at your spending habits. Are there areas where you could trim the fat? Maybe it's those daily trips to the coffee shop or that subscription service you hardly ever use. Whatever it is, every little cutback counts. And hey, even if it's just a few bucks here and there, those small savings can add up faster than you think, giving you the wiggle room you need to start investing in your future. 5. Time management. Let's talk about time management, the unsung hero of wealth building. You see, time is the one thing we can never get back. So why waste it on mindless activities that don't move the needle? Instead of binge watching Netflix or endlessly scrolling through social media feeds, imagine what you could achieve if you redirected just a fraction of that time towards something productive. Whether it's starting a side hustle, learning a new skill, or investing in yourself, those seemingly small changes can lead to big results. So seize the day, my friend. Break free from the cycle of wasted time and watch as your efforts pay off in ways you never imagined. 6. Seize your time. It's time to seize the day and reclaim control of your most precious resource, time. Break free from the cycle of underestimated time drains and seize the chance to harness every moment for something meaningful. Redirecting even a fraction of your time towards productive activities can lead you to an entirely new income stream and personal growth. So, whether it's dedicating a few hours a week to a side hustle, honing a new skill, or diving deeper into your passions, make every moment count. Remember, the future belongs to those who make the most of their time today. So there you have it. Practical steps to pave the way for you to be the first millionaire in your family. It's not about luck. It's about making informed choices, being consistent, and investing in yourself. Reflect on the time slipping away and let's turn those dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wealthway. We hope you found the tips and tricks shared here valuable for your financial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for success and remember, your wealth awaits.